Okay, next padlock I've got here is one of these disc locks. This one's a kasp, to show you it working. There you go, open, closed, take the key out. I'm going to have a go at single pin picking this. I'm not the best at that, but there you go. Just move the camera into a better position. So there's the lock. I'm going to pick it this way around because I'm just used to picking locks like that. I'm using basic tension wrench and this pick from the Southford 22-piece pick set. So we're going to get in here and try and pick this. Now what I'm feeling for is the pins. Very gentle pressure again on the tension wrench. You just see that finger down there tapping it. And then all I'm going to do now, I'm going to go work my way back, and when I get to these pins at the back, what I tend to do, instead of just pushing these pins up and down, when I get to the back pins I tend to do like a rake like that on the back couple of pins, which seems to just help, there we go, to open these locks, and there you have it, open. Didn't take too long, did it? So there you go, single pin picking of the kasp disc lock.